Welcome to Yoga for You, a channel tailored to helping you discover your very own unique yoga practice.
Hi guys, welcome back to Yoga for You. My name's Amanda Boucher, and today I'm going to be leading you through some grounding breath work. You can always do videos before this that have some movement in case it's really hard for you to sit still, but in case you don't have time for that, we'll get into a little bit of movement. You can do this on a chair, you could do this sitting on a cushion is really nice. I'm sitting on my sweatshirt, or you can also be on your shins. So just find a comfortable seated position that you can be in for a little bit. Go ahead and bring your hands to your knees or to your thighs. You're going to take a big inhale and let your heart lift up towards the sky. And then as you exhale, just slowly round the spine, bring the chin towards the chest, straighten your arms. Maybe close your eyes as you inhale again, raise the heart towards the sky, shoulders back and down. Exhale, round. Now just do this a couple times, and again, it's nice to close the eyes because most of this is going to be really about tuning inward and focusing on the life force within. Good, and then just a couple circles. So as you inhale, heart lifts again. Take that a little bit more forward, lean forward over to the side, and then exhale, round, and take that over to the other side. And just again, circles, doesn't have to look perfect, but more just bring some fluidity into the spine, into the shoulders, releasing any superficial outer layer of tension. Go the other direction a couple times. Again, relaxing and loosening up, not trying to bring a lot of effort into this. Let it be smooth. And then just start to find some stillness, slow it down. Keeping the eyes closed, bring the hands again onto the thighs or into your lap. Keep the spine nice and long, bring your shoulders over the hips as best you can. Let those relax too. Back of the neck is long, and slightly tuck your chin in and down. And for these first few moments, we're not going to control the breath. You're just going to let everything settle and tune into your natural breath. We breathe all day. You don't have to tell yourself to breathe. It knows how to do it already. So you're just going to bring your attention to this process. And try not to make the breath impressive or try to make it deeper. Whatever it is, let it be as it is. This is our foundation that we start with so that we can get into breath control. But for now, just staying with what is. You might feel a little bit of discomfort. Could be physical, could be mental or emotional, in that it's hard to sit with yourself like this. So again, it's all going to come, but it's all also going to pass. Stay for a few more moments. And now, go ahead and put a little bit more effort into your breath. Keep the eyes closed. You're just going to inhale naturally. And then let the exhale be the same length as the inhale you just made. And again, inhale naturally. And then exhale the same length as that inhale. So continue with that on your own. It's this kind of sweet breath. One more breath. Now you're going to continue with that, and I'm going to teach the next form of breath control, and you can open your eyes and watch me, but for the first couple rounds. So what you'll do is you'll take a big breath, inhale into your belly for 3, and I'll count all of this for you, and then you're going to exhale out of the belly for 3. Then you're going to keep the belly in. You're going to let the inhale come just into the chest or the upper part of your torso, and then we're going to exhale out of the chest for 3, and we're just going to keep moving back and forth, okay? So again, if you can't keep up with my pace, no big deal. Just do it at your own pace, going back and forth between the two. So again, if your eyes were open, go ahead and close your eyes. Nice tall spine, relaxed shoulders. Exhale all the air you have in. And inhale into your belly for 1, 2, 3. Exhale for 3, 2, 1. Belly in and up. Inhale into the chest. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 3, 2, 1. Belly. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 3, 2, 1. Chest. Inhale. 3, 2, 1. Exhale. 3, 2, 1. Belly. Inhale. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 3, 2, 1. Chest. Inhale. 3, 2, 1. Exhale. 3, 2, 1. Inhale. 3, 2, 1. Exhale. 3, 2, 1. Inhale. 3, 2, 1. Exhale. 3, 2, 1. Now this time you're going to take a big breath all the way up to the top. Hold, try to soften the skin, soften the shoulders, and slightly tuck your chin in. Hold that breath, hold that prana all the way at the top. Try to relax into it, let it soak into your being. And then exhale nice and slow. All the way to the bottom, see if you can hold that breath. Good, big inhale again, all the way to the top. Hold and retain, soften the skin. Exhale all the way to the bottom. Hold. Good. And then let your breath just be natural again. So just take a moment to feel the effects. That's just one form of our breath control, and I'm going to talk you through the next one. So the next one is kind of a combination of what we just did, and you're going to want to watch me because I'm actually going to show you before we do it together. So this one, we're going to inhale into the low belly for 3. Then you're going to pull in and up through the belly and inhale again for another 3. And then we're going to exhale for 6. So I'll show you what that looks like in my body, and I'll do a couple of rounds, and it's going to be as accentuated as possible so you can see what I mean. So and exhale completely. Okay, so I think the hard part for most people is that pulling in and up. So again, it's just an inhale, make your belly full, pull that in and send the prana, the breath up into the chest, feel like it opens it up, and then exhale as slowly as you can. Go at your pace, but I'll be counting also to help keep us all together, okay? So exhale completely. Inhale into the belly, 3, 2, 1. Pull in and up, chest, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Belly, 3, 2, 1. Chest, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. belly, 3, 2, 1, in and up, 3, 2, 1, exhale, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, belly, 3, 2, 1, in and up, 3, 2, 1, exhale, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, inhale, in and up, exhale, inhale, in and up, exhale, inhale, in and up, exhale. Good, and then inhale all the way to the top. Retain the breath. So this is your breath retention. Just hold the prana in your space, in your container. Exhale completely to the bottom. Hold, ground. Inhale again all the way to the top. And so feel that pulsing, exhaling all the way to the bottom. Last exhale. Hold, feel that grounding, that connection. Hold that as long as you can. And then when you need to start to take that inhale, take it. And then let the breath go back to normal, like that natural breath that we started with. And just notice the change in frequency in the body. Breath work has been a saving grace for me in that my nervous system was kind of on high all the time. So these moments that we can use the breath to just lower the frequency, or even in another sense, you could look at it as upping the frequency of consciousness, of awareness. Just allow the effects to sink in, stay with it. Feel free to stay. Stay for as long as you can until a deeper inner self tells you that it's time to come out. Don't feel like you need to be in a rush, or because the video ends you need to come out. Stay if you can until you yourself tells you it's time. Thank you guys so much for breathing with me. Remember, you can always pair this with any of our other videos. Namaste.